Hi guys, it's Jamie. I hope you can hear me. The heat is on. It's cold. I'm out doing some DoorDash because I needed to get out of the house for a little bit and try to get my mind occupied. Y'all wouldn't believe what happened to me today. I have cried. I have thrown a fit. I've been so upset. I've been beside myself. And I had to run out to the Family Dollar too and get some cat treats because my cats are out of the Temptation snacks and they're driving me nuts. And guys, let me tell you what happened. I got bills coming up, okay? Well, today, I'm going to say about an hour and a half ago, right at 6 o'clock, my phone dings and it's my bank. Did you try to make a purchase on Amazon.com in the amount of blah, 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 which was way over what was in my bank anyway? And of course, you know, it was the fraud alert people, and I had to click no. Friday, 6 o'clock, no, I didn't make the purchase. My card is locked. So, what do I do? Somebody had got on Amazon, somehow got into my Amazon account and made a purchase over $400, which it was declined because there wasn't that much in my account. But that caused me to have to try to figure out another solution on how to pay my bills that are coming up because my account's locked and I can't do anything until Monday. But I got bills coming due tomorrow that I need to get paid. So I said, okay, whatever. So I went to the Family Dollar and put money on my Cash App card. And I'm hoping that my Cash App card will actually, you know, let me pay my bills that I need to pay. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm tired. I've just really felt so defeated today, and I thought, why? You know, why me? Why now? What is going on? You know. But I mean, I know the good Lord has got me, and I know He's going to take care of me, and you know, thank God my bank did send that out. But you know, when I'm trying to get back on my feet and trying to get bills paid up and caught up and continue to pay, you know, I'm just sitting here thinking, why? I'm about to cry. I don't mean to. It's just I've been so stressed lately, and of course y'all know I've been dealing with this on my face, and when my nerves gets tore up, my face starts itching, and then I'll just start wanting to dig the blood out of my skin, and it's still not all the way healed up. I still got quite a few places left, but I'm just tired. And I thought, well, let me get on here and tell everybody, watch yourself, make sure you update your passwords, be careful, you know, don't buy something that's suspicious looking, or, you know, if somebody says, hey, you want a gift card or whatever, don't click on it, because 99% of the time it's probably a scam. Just like the other day, I'm waiting on a package to come and it's lost. I have no idea where it's at. I don't even know if I'll ever get it, but you know, I got a text message from the post office that said, hey, for your package to be redelivered, click here. Well, you know, I thought, that looks funny, so I went to the post office, and sure enough, it was a scam. They told me, said, do not click on that. You know, don't click on that. But anyway, be careful, guys. Don't be going through what I'm going through right now, because I am just so stressed. And I thought, well, I'll just get out. I'll do some DoorDash, talk to everybody for a minute, and just be careful. be careful, guys. So anyway, there is a savings challenge video coming Monday. I'm going to try to get it up Monday if everything goes fine. But I got some things I want to, go over with. But I just wanted to jump on here and tell you guys to be careful. Don't get scammed. If it don't look right, don't click it. Go change your Amazon passwords. I mean, just keep them changed all the time. So with that said, guys, keep me in your prayers, your thoughts, your positive vibes. Help me get through this because I'm about ready to scream. But anyway, bye.